Hi guys, welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we're going to be talking about the European belt root and how to use it and why we love it. So let's get started. So the European belt root is essentially how you can install a car seat without having the base of it in your car. It's really great if you're taking a quick trip with grandma or with a friend and you don't want to take the base out of your car. Some car seats will have the European belt root. So essentially what it is on certain car seats there will be places where the lap belt can go through and then the shoulder belt can wrap around. Place the car seat up against the back of your car, and there's also indicators on the bottom here that show that your recline is in the right spot. Place that and have this sitting up against the seat of your car. You will take your lap belt and pull it across here, tucking it under these little slots on the side and click it in. Make sure it's really tight. Then you will take your shoulder belt and actually wrap it around the car seat, and most of them will have something to tuck it into so it's also secure. And then you wrap it around, get it really tight, and you're good to go. This is a newer feature on most car seats, and we love it because it just adds that extra security when you're in a car without a base. That extra shoulder belt really helps it stay in place, which is awesome. And you want to make sure that your specific car seat actually is able to do the European belt root. Some aren't, depending on your brand, and it'll explain that all in the manual. Some brands that have the European belt root are Kiko, right in front of me. Kleck also has it, and Nuna on some of their car seats have it. I know some of their lights don't, but just keep an eye out for whatever car seat you're choosing and see if they also include the European belt root. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to see another one of our videos, you can click here. If you want to shop any of these car seats we talked about, you can go to babycubby.com, and we offer free shipping on orders of $25 or more. Like and subscribe and comment down below with any questions you have, and we'll see you next time.